Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna make guacamole with tortilla chips. Let's get started. For this recipe, we're gonna use half a lime, a little bit of cilantro, 1/4 of an onion, and half of jalapeno, a little bit of chopped parsley, and 2 avocados. Also a little bit of olive oil or cilantro. Throw it in your bowl. Then we're gonna chop our onion. We're gonna add just half of that. We're gonna chop our jalapeno. Doesn't have to be perfect. In the bowl. There you go. Garlic. Squeeze your half lemon, lime, olive oil, salt, little pepper. There you go. Maybe a little bit more salt. I'll put this to the side. Okay, we have our avocado here. We're gonna slice it in half. Just like that. We're gonna open it up, just like that. And to take the bone off, just hit the bone a little bit right on top, just like that, and twist. And then just put it in the cutting board, and that's it, perfect. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna slide, you're gonna cut just like that, just straight lines, and then make squares for both sides. Beautiful. Wow, this avocado is so beautiful. Looks delicious. Then you get a spoon, scoop all the avocado into your bowl, into our mix. Wonderful. Just like that. Nice. Look at that avocado. Looks delicious. Then we're gonna mix this up really well. You can also use a fork just to smash down the avocado. There you go, just like that, beautiful. I'm gonna try it just to make sure it has enough salt. Pick a little bit more salt on it. Mix it up with my spatula, and then we have our bowl ready with our chips. And this is how you make guacamole with tortilla chips. I'm gonna give it a shot with the tortilla. Delicious. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching.